If you're running an online store, building the website isn't that difficult. It's actually getting people to find you and hopefully buy something. Luckily though, WooCommerce is working a lot more closely with Google to help your stores get found and to make it easier for owners to connect their products to Google Shopping and most importantly, YouTube. Just think about it for a moment. You could have the most amazing website e-commerce store ever built, but if no one finds it, none of it's going to matter. So some of the tools I'm going to mention make it easier for the businesses to share what they do on tools and software that people are already using. Because you could see an advert out there that says, hey, look, advertise on my radio show or on the side of my van. But if your audience don't see that advert, it won't matter. So if you're able to utilize what people are already using, isn't that a good thing? And what's even more important is making this easier for people to access and use. Because let's be honest, a lot of small businesses don't have the budget to do mass marketing campaigns like a lot of other big businesses out there. And the easier it becomes for you to get your products in front of potential clients, the more sales you potentially could make. The first one is Google for WooCommerce. This plugin is going to connect your WooCommerce website to the Google ecosystem. And what this will do is remove the need for you to manually add your items to other platforms like the name, the description, your images. When you add this plugin in, it will now feed through the information you've already got stored within your WooCommerce fields over to Google. And the great thing about that is once you've got that connection and you're feeding it into other places, let's say you go and change the title or an image, it will automatically feed that through. This will remove a lot of repetitive work and outdated information being out there. The second thing is the Google Merchant Center. So this is where Google stores all the information about your product so it's in one central place before it shares it out. And this will then make it easier for your products to get found in Google Shopping. Because if Google doesn't understand it, how is it going to show it when people start searching or filtering for certain items? The third one is really interesting, WooCommerce YouTube Shopping. Now, YouTube has allowed people to do shopping, but there was a disconnect with it feeding through or coming from WooCommerce. Well, now you might mention something in your video, like you might say, I've got this course, I've got this t-shirt I'm wearing, go and click the link in the description. That link will now take them directly to your WooCommerce store, or you can actually advertise it underneath your video and they can go and buy it. The fourth one is Google's documentation system, and my understanding is that this is an AI powered system that's going to look at the information for your product and then it's going to decide on the best place to advertise it. And this could be really interesting because you create one campaign and then the system will decide on the best place for you to get the best results. So hopefully all of these things together are going to help your WooCommerce products get found on Gmail, adverts, YouTube, Google Shopping, and within the results of a general Google search. This for me is a reminder that just building a WordPress website isn't going to guarantee you success. You have to make sure your website gets found. Hopefully, this is going to help you out.